Are we really getting a new foldable phone from Samsung, or is it just the old one with a fresh name? That's the big question after recent leaks about the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE surfaced. Many people thought this phone would be Samsung's budget-friendly, foldable, a more affordable way to try something new. But now it looks like it might just be a slightly updated Galaxy Z Flip 6, which raises doubts about whether it's even worth buying. Samsung's foldable phones have come a long way, with models like the Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip gaining more attention each year. Naturally, expectations are high for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. But in the middle of all that, the Flip 7 FE was supposed to be the budget model, aimed at people who wanted a foldable without spending too much. The problem is, based on what's been leaked, there might not be much of a difference at all between the Flip 7 FE and last year's Flip 6. Let's break it down. The leaked information says the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE will have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. That's a powerful chip, but it's also the same one used in the Z Flip 6. Along with that, it's expected to come with 12 GB of RAM, a 6.7-inch AMOLED inner screen, and a 3.4-inch Super AMOLED cover display, exactly like the previous model. Then, there's the camera. The Flip 7 FE is rumored to have a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel front camera. These are the same numbers and likely the same sensors found in the Flip 6. So, no improvements there either. The battery also seems unchanged. The leak says it will have a 4,000 mAh battery with support for 25-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging. Again, this is identical to what the Flip 6 already offers. And when it comes to protection, the Flip 7 FE is expected to carry the same IP48 rating for dust and water resistance. So far, everything points to a phone that looks and performs just like its predecessor. The only actual change mentioned is that it will come with Android 15 out of the box. That might sound nice, but considering that older Samsung phones will get that update too, it's not exactly a strong reason to buy the new model. What could make the Flip 7 FE stand out is the price. Leaks suggest Samsung might launch it for less than €1,000. If that's true, it might attract people who want a foldable phone without paying top dollar. But here's the issue. If the Flip 6 gets a discount around the same time, it could be a better value, especially for people who don't care about having the latest Android version from day one. This could also be part of Samsung's marketing strategy. By adding FE to the name, they might be trying to repackage old hardware in a way that sounds fresh. And for people in markets where foldable phones are still seen as expensive luxury items, this kind of rebranding could help them reach more customers. That said, nothing is confirmed yet. Samsung hasn't officially announced the Flip 7 FE, so there's still a chance that the final version will bring something new. But if these leaks are accurate, it may not be the exciting release people were hoping for. It might just be a clever way to push more units without making big changes. What do you think? Would you consider buying the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE if it's basically a Flip 6 in new packaging? Or would you wait for the Flip 7 or grab the older model on sale? Tell us in the comments. And if you enjoy smart tech updates and real talk on the latest gadgets, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.